Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright guys, it is the day you have been waiting for. You've been so patient, and you've been so good to me in my comments on all of my socials. Today is the day we're gonna be unboxing my giant Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway. As you guys know, every time Jeffree does mystery boxes or a launch of his own, I do a mystery box filled with Jeffree Star Cosmetics for one lucky winner, and the day of the reveal of what is in the box has finally come. You're also going to be finding out today who has won this amazing prize. So it's a little bit of a twist this time. Ian actually solely put together this box, so as I'm opening it with you guys, it's the first time I'm figuring out what's in here too. He told me that this box was next level, like I'm gonna be shook. I might be a little pissed at how much stuff he put in here, but I know that I won't be because I love giving back to you guys. I cannot wait for you to find out if you won. If you want to find out if today's winner is you, then please keep watching. All right guys, before we jump into who won as well as what's in this amazing box, can we take a minute to look at how beautifully put together this box is? Ian really took it to the next level this time. I do say that absolutely every single time, but I love the way this box looks. I love that he chose a baby pink marble for it. I think it might be a little bit themed. We'll have to see what's inside the box, but I love it. Shout out to Ian, always taking it to the next level. Also, a little bit of an update for my JSC fans as well as fans of Jeffree Star. He's finally gotten feeling better. He's back in California. He says lots of big things are coming, which will include more photo shoots, more product.
All right, y'all. I can't believe it, but the injury set me back, but it's time to go back to LA. Me and all the dogs and all my friends and family are on the bus, and we are back on an adventurous road trip. And Hidden Hills, I will see you shortly. It has been such a beautiful trip out here, settling down into town, but I gotta go back for a little bit. I have so many photo shoots to do and a lot of stuff now that I'm healing up.
We do know that in July, that's when the next launch for a big collection is going to be happening, so I'm super excited about that. And he's back in California, which means he's going to be working again, and I'm so excited to see what the brand has in store. I really hope we're going to be getting a nice, beautiful, bright, vibrant summer palette. What do you guys think we're going to get? Leave it down in the comments and let me know for sure. Let's start a discussion about that. But I know, I've been talking nonstop. Let's jump right into what's in this box. Let's go. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm gonna leave the big stuff for the end and do the little stuff first. Okay. So first we have, bam, two brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics single shadows. As you guys know, the brand recently just launched with the single shadows. These are lovely, especially if you don't want to commit to an entire palette or you like a little pop of color, but you generally stick with neutrals. Now you guys are going to get the chance to really delve into the brand and try the eyeshadows out. Right now, there's only about 25 single shades. A lot more are coming and in the works, so definitely stay tuned for that. So the two shades that the winner has won. I've been talking about the shades, I didn't even tell you what color. So we have Glucose as well as, what's this one? Afterlife. Absolutely stunning, guys. These are so wearable. Glucose is a stark white. I do believe this is part of Blood Sugar. This needs to be a part of every makeup wearer's collection. You need a stark white eyeshadow, and this one is unbelievably pigmented. So freaking amazing. Anyone that tells you anything about a white shadow, they always talk about Glucose because it really is that good. Then we have Afterlife. This was part of the Cremated palette. It's a beautiful shimmer. You can wear it as a highlight. You can pop it on your inner corners. You can use it to highlight that brow bone. Such a beautiful shade, and the first two items in the box. Oh my gosh, guys, there are so many lip products in here, I don't even know where to begin. Let's start with these. Like, are you kidding me, Ian? We have a total of 3 glosses in here. He really wanted to spoil you guys, I can tell. So the shades we have are Her Glossiness, Silk Rope, and Mouthful. These two were part of the Orgy collection. They're absolutely stunning. And then this one here is Her Glossiness. I actually haven't seen this shade, so let's open it together. Last time I did an unboxing, I didn't open anything and you guys were really annoyed. I was just trying to keep it pristine for, oh wow. I was just trying to keep it nice and fresh for the winner, but this is so pretty, guys. It is a beautiful bronzy gold. I'm gonna try to find a swatch of it online and throw it up here for you guys in case you're curious curious to see. Oh wow, what an absolutely perfect shade for the summer. I think it's absolutely stunning, and 3 the glosses are now in your collection. You lucky freaking winner. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, we have 2 absolutely stunning nude velour liquid lipsticks. I love that he picked shades that aren't so crazy and out there, actually super, super wearable shades. So Birthday Suit is a very palish nude. This color works really great for if you just want to lighten up a darker lip. You just tap a little bit of this on the inside of your lip and it looks so pretty. I actually did that today. I'm wearing, everything's listed below, but I'm wearing Dominatrix as well as a Supreme gloss. So I love the way these 2 work together. And then we have the shade Christmas Cookie, another absolutely staple nude. I love it. It's a little bit light for me, but I love pairing it with a darker liner. So, so pretty. All right, let's see what else we got. A brand new Supreme gloss. This is relatively new to the company, this formula of gloss. I freaking love them. I haven't been able to stop wearing them. I'm wearing one today. This is in shade Celebrity Skin, which is one of the best ones in my opinion. So super duper wearable, love it. Okay, let's see what else. Yes, Ian, a Velvet Trap in the shade Funeral Parlor. I love the Velvet Trap formula, guys. It is my favorite out of all the lip formulas that Jeffree Star Cosmetics gives. I say that every single time I talk about Velvet Traps. If you want to know more about Velvet Traps, please click this link up here. I did a dedicated video. I tried on each and every single shade out there. Right now is a special on the glosses, so I don't know how long that's gonna last. If you're curious about any of the colors, definitely give that video a watch. But this shade Funeral Parlor is super beautiful. I love the packaging on these guys. So good. Okay, I am loving this box so far. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we have a beautiful Supreme Frost in one of my possibly favorite shades of the Supreme Frost. This is in Frozen Peach. It's absolutely stunning, guys. Me personally, I don't really like a glittery highlight, so I keep these to my eyelids. They are beautiful eyeshadow toppers, but any way you want to wear it, you're going to enjoy the crap out of it. So this is the next item in the box. Let's see what else we got. Okay, so this looks like it's the last lip item. We have a velour lip scrub. I cannot get enough of these. I go through these so fast. They're so good. They keep your lips so soft. And this is in flavor Blue Raspberry Sucker, which I remember when he first came out with this flavor, it was always sold out. It's finally back, but I know now why it's sold out. It's freaking delicious. You are going to love the crap out of this. All right, let's get to the bigger items of the box. And the first one, the Jawbreaker Palette. This is by far one of my absolute favorite Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes. Jawbreaker is one of the best rainbow palettes on the market in my opinion. I reach for it 24/7. I love it and it's so freaking beautiful. And the next item, oh my god. Like these 2 palettes go together. We have the Orgy Palette. You're getting the Rainbow Fantasy, which is perfect for summer. You're also getting the Nude Fantasy. And as we can see here, this is a nude lover's dream. We all love a good nude eyeshadow palette. We all need one in our collection. I feel like the Orgy Palette has every conceivable nude you could think of for your eyelids. You can even use this on your face and it's a lovely palette. Right, we have one final item in the box and that is, yes, the Love Me Not lip bundle. This is a stunning collection of reds from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. We have a bright red, we have deep red, we have all the staple reds in here. What a freaking stunning lip bundle. Out of all the lip bundles, honestly, I'd probably reach for this one first. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And now the moment you've been waiting for, drum roll. The winner is, bam, I'm gonna put it right up here for you. Congratulations. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much for the love on all of my content. I always see your kind, supportive words. It means the world to me. And guys, please, I say this every single time, but don't be disappointed if you didn't win this time around. I have been steady doing these giveaways and I don't plan on stopping them anytime soon. If you guys know, I'm on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics PR list, but I still go out of my way and purchase all of this for my subscribers because I really do believe in giving back. And that's exactly what I keep planning on doing. So definitely, guys, if you want to see more giveaways like this, give this video a giant like, leave me a comment down below if you want to see some more. Tell me what you thought of this box. How did I do this time around? If you're regulars here, you know that I always try to up myself on each box. How do you think Ian did on this one? I love the way he made it kind of like a pinky rosy theme. Super duper pretty. And please, if you haven't already, guys, make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.